After publishing for just 22 months, I was able to cross $78,291. I'm doing a free training on Thursday. I want you to come. Here's what we're going to talk about. All right, so I've been behind the scenes working on so many things, creating so many training videos inside my program. I have a free event you guys are invited to. This is how I created 6 figures in revenue. This is my ads account. This is without being a traditional publisher. This is all self-publishing, or without being an amazing writer. That's not my strength at this point. And we're going to talk about how I crossed over $120,000 in book sales and what that means for my bottom line of royalties. But also, I wanted to invite you to learn. I'm going to teach 3 different things on this call, and it's this Thursday, November 2nd at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you come here and you hit register. Okay, so this presentation will be about 45 minutes. I'm going to walk you through my experience with publishing. I'm going to talk about the 3 secrets of self-publishing, which a lot of people are not really discussing, and what it means to you as an opportunity to actually build a machine or a process that can help you buy back your time. So I'll put the link below, and I hope you guys can attend so you can get the following out of the call. It is a free event, and let me show you what I'm talking about. Some of the important things that I'll be covering on this call is why books can be profitable. There's a lot of people in the marketing space that use their book as just a promotion for people to buy things on the back end. And I haven't built a book income stream that way. I have built it by understanding what makes a book profitable up front. And the second thing we're going to talk about is why you don't need to spend a bunch of time writing a book. It doesn't need to be 30 to 50K. There really are so many different ways to create a profitable book nowadays. And the third thing I'm going to talk about is the opportunity to publish, just to self-publish and have that for yourself, to have the skill set to do it over and over and over again. So join the link below. I'd love to have you.